Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to the next lecture of English. How are you all, students? I hope you all are fine and doing your work properly. So let's see what I am going to start. In previous lecture, we finished with a very beautiful poem that was Silver. We have completed all the question and answers of that particular poem. Okay, today we will start with the next lesson, that is lesson number 3.2, Raza's painting. Okay, this is the lesson. But as you all know, whenever we begin any lesson, we start with the warming up activity. So let's see what's there in today's warming up activity. So let's start with the warm up activity. Complete the following idioms using the appropriate color term: blue, black, green, red. See, students, this lesson is totally based on art. Okay, paintings. So activity is also related to that. So you have to complete this idiom by putting the color's name into it. First, let me tell you what is the question. Give someone a dash look, a look of anger, a look of anger or dislike. So if we are looking at somebody, अगर हम किसी को गुस्से में देख रहे हैं or we don't like somebody, when we look at them, that look which which is a negative sign, a negative look, that can be called as black look. So into that particular column, answer will be black. Next is the dash sheep, a person who brings disgrace of the family. Again the same thing, disgrace, it's a negative word, negative sign, so again here it will be a black. A dash list, a list of defaulters. Suppose क्या बोलेंगे हम, हाँ, I'll give you the very simple example. When we get fake calls, when we get blank calls, or people which we don't want in our call list, in which list we put them? Into the blacklist or into the block list. Okay, the color which we use, that is blacklist. Blacklist में हम डाल देते, तो फिर क्या होता है, उनके कॉल्स हमें नहीं आते. ठीक है. A dash list, a list of defaulters, comes into the blacklist. A dash belt, area of fields, wood, etc. around a city. It's a green because we are talking about greenery. Next, to have a dash fingers, be good at gardening. Okay, gardening comes from greenery, so here again it's a green. Be dash with envy, feel very jealous. Be green with envy. Okay, envy matlab jealousy ki feeling. Give someone, get the dash signal, get permission to do something. See, on the traffic signal also, when we stand, red is a sign of stop and green is the sign of move. So here also green, हमने उसको ग्रीन सिग्नल दिया. येस मीन्स रजामंदी देना, किसी को हाँ बोलना, अग्री हो जाना. A bolt from the dash, a sudden shock. See, it is a very famous idiom. A bolt from blue, matlab achanak, surprise. Okay. Next, see what is next in the warm-up activity. What are you reminded of when you think of the following colors? Purple. Purple क्या है? It's a sign of reality. Okay. Next color is light orange. That is, this is the sign of autumn season, है ना, क्योंकि देखो पेड़ों का कलर भी ऐसे ही हो जाता है. Yellow is the color of maturity, pink for friendship, and white color is for purity. Understood? So this much only from the warm up activity. You have to do this warm up activity in the workbook. Now let's start with today's lesson, that's reading work of art, Sayyid Haider Raza. Before I start, children, how many of you all are interested in art? आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिनको ड्राइंग करना पसंद है, कलरिंग करना पसंद है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड? There are many children who love to do painting, who love to do art. Fine. So let's start with the reading work of art. See, children, there is not much in this lesson to explain because it's just a biography of one person, that is Sayyid Haider Raza. उनकी लाइफ के बारे में है, उन्होंने क्या क्या किया, क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है, उसके बारे में है. So it's a very simple lesson, so pay attention. Okay, I have not given introduction before because this is the lesson in which you will get introduction plus apart from introduction you will get a detailed information about that particular personality, that is सैयद हैदर रज़ा. जैसे कि पूरी बायोग्राफी है, उनकी पूरी लाइफ के बारे में है. That's why I have not given introduction in the beginning because everything is there in the lesson. So we will just have a start. We'll see what is there. Reading works of art. Sayyid Haidar Raza, popularly known as Raza. Okay, he was very popular artist. Was a renowned. Renowned means popular. Right there and then only. Renowned matlab very famous. Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking color combination, captivating composition. These are some of the characteristics features of his paintings. And so are the colors blue and orange. See what is the important, what is what which things makes his painting different is that he doesn't make an ordinary paintings. Whenever we see people may people they draw animals, plants, है ना. हम लोग मोस्टली क्या देखते हैं, सीनरी कोई ड्रॉ कर रहा है or a portrait of particular personalities. But Raza was totally different personality. He never used to draw such things. His paintings were not ordinary like others. He never used to draw animals. He never used to draw the nature. He never used to draw the things which we see around us. Okay, his painting was totally different, which needs a proper attention and presence of mind to understand what exactly he trying to explain. See, we can see art is also one of the medium of interaction, one of the medium to interact with the people, one of the medium to express the feeling. Okay, see, there are many people on this planet who express their feelings through many modes. So this is also one of the mode of expressing the feeling, conveying the message. आप समझ रहे हैं. अभी देखो, अगर हमको किसी से कुछ कहना है, कुछ जाहिर करना है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, we talk to each other. And nowadays we have a very new technique. If we status speaks, मोबाइल स्टेटस जो है वो बात करते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैप्पी योर स्टेटस विल बी डिफरेंट, एंड इफ़ यू आर अ सैड, अपसेट और समथिंग हैपन बैड विथ यू, सो योर स्टेटस विल बी डिफरेंट. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग विद द पीपल. दिस इज़ द वे यू कन्वे द मैसेज कि हम आज उदास है, हम खुश है, तो उससे भी आपका नेचर पता चलता है ना. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, वन ऑफ द वे ऑफ एड्रेसिंग द पीपल. यू कैन से, है ना, बिना कुछ कहे भी हमारे स्टेटस से लोग समझ जाते हैं कि अरे आज इन्होंने ऐसा स्टेटस क्यों रखा है, इसके पीछे क्या रीज़न है. अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज़ द फाइनेस्ट एग्जाम्पल विच आई गिव. अनदर वे इज, नाउ वी हैव दिस, बट इन दी पास्ट पीपल दे यूज टू कन्वे देयर मैसेज थ्रू देयर राइटिंग्स टू देयर पब्लिकेशंस. जैसे कि हमने देखा था मेनी सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स वर देयर, तो दे यूज टू राइट बुक्स विच यूज टू कन्वे देयर मैसेज टू द पीपल. पहले इतने सारे क्या बोलेंगे हम, सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, मास मीडिया इतना फास्ट नहीं था, तो लोग क्या करते थे, बुक्स के ज़रिए, न्यूज़पेपर, आर्टिकल्स के ज़रिए अपना मैसेज लोगों तक पहुंचाते थे, है ना. ये हमने देखा है हिस्ट्री में भी. एक्सट्रीमिस्ट वर देयर, है ना. सो दे यूज टू कन्वे. अभी भी हम लोग जैसे कि सोशल मीडिया पे स्टेटस रख के अपना एक्सप्रेस करते हैं फीलिंग या हमारा जो भी मैसेज है, या फिर वी कन्वे थ्रू आर ट्वीट्स, वी इंटरैक्ट लाइक दिस. Similarly, painters also convey their message through their paintings. Paintings speaks. Only the people, those who are interested, or the people, those who have the knowledge of painting, they can understand. पेंटिंग्स भी जो है वो क्या करती हैं, बातें करती हैं. ये हम और आप नहीं समझ सकते, सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को समझ में आता है, दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन पेंटिंग. सो दिस राजा ही यूज्ड टू कन्वे हिज मैसेजेस थ्रू हिज पेंटिंग्स, and his paintings were unique, you can say, because he never used to draw ordinary things. See, you can see, can you say what is there in this poem? Sorry, can you say what he is going to show through this painting? We are not so expert, that's why we cannot say. But the people, those who are very expert, those who are interested, those who are belong to this field, they will tell you that what kind of a painting it is, what is the speciality of this painting, and so on. है ना. हम लोग देख के बोल सकते हैं क्या, नहीं. So this is the speciality of Raza's painting. He used to draw geometrical shapes and particular colors he used to use throughout his paintings. उनके प्रॉपर कलर्स होते थे, वही कलर वो यूज़ करते थे, मोस्टली ब्लू एंड ऑरेंज. ठीक है. फिर you will find them in almost all his paintings. These colors are almost in all his paintings. He loved which two colors? Orange and blue. और almost उनकी सारी paintings में आपको ये colors मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. Okay. His paintings belong to the abstract styles of painting. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. They originate when the artist try to peep into his own inner mind. See, it doesn't come from outside. It doesn't come from any inspiration. It's from the inside. As I told you, it conveys the message. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots and different composition using effective techniques of applying point, attractive color combination, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. ठीक है. He just used to arrange all the geometrical figures with the by showing the difference in color combination, and he used to arrange. मतलब it's an art, तो we cannot say that how to do it. वो क्या करते थे, geometrical figures और different colors combination के basis पर ही अपनी painting बनाते थे. He never used to get inspired with anyone, और he never used to portrait someone. As I told you, किसी का inspire नहीं कि कोई photo देख लिया, कोई portrait देख लिया या कोई scenery उनके दिमाग में. No, उनके अंदर की जो feelings है वो express करते थे. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and its heritage, culture, context and philosophy. His pictures seems to radiate peace and life at the same time. We realize that the painting is visible from form of very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. And it's very difficult to connect such paintings with the people. लेकिन रज़ा की पेंटिंग जो है वो कनेक्ट करती है. And he learned this from the cultural heritage side of Indian culture. See, you might have seen the sculptures in the historical places, or you might have read about the sculptures. So he got inspired from them. Not inspired, but he learned from them. He's not inspired with anyone, but he might have learned from those sculptures. ठीक है, वहाँ से इसने सीखा और ट्राई किया. So this much in today's lecture. Tomorrow we will continue with more paintings, क्योंकि अगर अभी मैं लेती हूँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Whatever we have done in the warming up activity, do it in the notebook, children. This time you will be doing in the notebook with proper colors which I have used. अगर आप green color लिख रहे हो तो use a green pen and write green. If you are writing a blue, write blue. Where in the warming up activity only, are not in question analysis. So please make your notebook colorful and do this warming up activity in the notebook. We will continue this chapter in the tomorrow's lecture. Inshallah, we will complete tomorrow. Thank you so much and take care of yourself. Personal reading is very important, so please read this lesson carefully and then only write the meanings, do the warming up activity. And thank you so much for watching the video. Take care of yourself, complete your books. Thank you.